Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Rifaldo Adidanugraha and today I will present my final project titled SAFEL Annual Member Assembly, Strengthening Regeneration and Organizational Sustainability. This project is conducted to fulfill a final assignment for the course Upper Intermediate Oral Communication Skills taught by Dr. Agatha Lisa M. Let's go to the next slide. The approval page. This is provided because this event will be implemented by 4 until 5 December 2025. The name of the event is SAFEL Annual Members Assembly or Musyawarah Anggota. The project duration is around 1.5 months, including preparation. The event date is Tuesday, 4 December 2025 until Friday, 5 December 2025. The project leader is Rifaldo Adidanugraha as myself, and the venue is in Student Center Building, 3rd floor, Universitas Negeri Yogyakarta. The estimated budget is around 3,600,000 rupiah, and the target participants are 92 members of SAFEL and guest participants. Let's go to the background. The behind why I choose this project. As you know, guys, leadership regeneration problems in many Indonesian student organizations often face several challenges, like members often unprepared to take strategic roles, and then limited training and low understanding of AD or ERT. For your information, AD or ERT is like constitution or the rules for the reference in organization, and then GBHK. GBHK is guide or guideline for the governance to read it and to implement it in organization. And then organizational continuity becomes weaker each year if not addressed. So that's why this project is conducted. And then Musyawarah Anggota is a key mechanism to strengthen governance. The evidence or the background of the evidence. These issues are supported by academic studies. First, a 2024 study by Rahman and Shakila shows that student organizational leadership becomes ineffective without proper training and structured regeneration programs. And the second, research from UPI 2021 until 2023 found that many students join organizations without understanding basic governance documents such as AD or ERT, rules, and rights. This leads to low participation and unclear decision making. This issue strengthens the urgency of implying the project for the future. And next slide, the theme of the event. The theme of the event is Bridging the Legacy, Building the Synergy. The philosophy, Bridging the Legacy, we recognize the commitment and foundation built by previous committees, values, lessons, and systems that shape SAFEL today. Building the synergy, We aim to combine the strengths, ideas, and visions of current members to create a more collaborative future. And the mission. This project has the mission. The mission is to strengthen sustainability so that the event can be conducted well for the future, and to improve transparency, then support democratic regeneration, then clarify organizational rules. We can choose the capable president for the next year through the valid mechanisms. The members inside will know how to vote the president, and that is the democratic regeneration and transparency. And also, these events consist of the clarification of organizational rules and validation. And next to the objectives. The objectives include transparent leadership transitions, review and validation of AD or ERT and GBHK, improve member understanding, and then strengthen organizational culture, and then improve the quality of the organization's work program. These objectives guide the structure of the entire assembly for the better organization. Next, the program activities. Day 1 focuses on evaluation, transparency, and accountability. These are several mechanisms or rundown for the event. First, registration, attendance of the members, and then opening ceremony conveyed by project leader, me, Rivaldo Linggaha, then President of UKM Bahasa SAFEL 2025, which is Syari Cahya Trimurti, and the supervisor of the UKM Bahasa Asing SAFEL 2025, that is Miss Cynthia. And then temporary presidium introduction, and then trial rules or target discussion, and then the LPG or program reports by previous governance, and then Q&A session. The purpose is to transparency and evaluation. Next to the day 2 program activities. Day 2 focuses on decision making and election. AD or ERT reading, organization constitution, GBHK validation, guidelines for work, revision process. This through long debates by many members inside. And then format 2, the candidate selection, and then it is often called as the mind event. The mind rundown is presidential election, and after that the final closing ceremony. The purpose is sustainability and future direction. Next, the expected impact. By this event, we expect to smooth leadership transitions, improve teamwork and collaboration, better structured organization, members understand responsibilities, stronger culture of transparency, long-term sustainability, and the personal improvement I learned in leadership, communication, facilitation, and event management. Yes, by this event I got this learning. Like leadership is not only to command members, but leadership is about to helping others to get or to reach the main vision, the main purpose. Next, the personal reflection. The challenges we face are long debates, maintaining discipline, managing different opinions, and lesson learned, conflict management, facilitation techniques, clearer communication, important of rules, and the new perspective. Organizations are striving for real leadership. The conclusion: the importance of Musyawarah Anggota relevance to SAFEL's future contribution to sustainability, the importance of structural understanding of our Mahwa. And thank you. This is the references we have. You could read it by many this article and also so on. And thank you for watching